Hi, I'm back again with another video. Just want to show some of my ex's memorabilia. He has walls. So that's an old school picture right there. Turn the light on right quick. Okay, you can see it better. Nelson Mandela. He got the whole We Are the World on there. Okay, we are the world. We are the children. Prince Purple Rain has a tin man riding a horse. And these are things he had made. Kings of Comedy. Red Fox and Richard Pryor, the True Kings. The old boombox. The color Dusty. I need to come over here and dust for him. And help him out. Nelson Mandela. These are some of his albums. He's a DJ. So the flow squeaking, you know it's history up in his baby. Okay. Let me get up here. I don't know who that Oscar goes to. The Oscar goes to me. Heavy D and the Boys. Whitney Houston. Got Barack Obama in the house. One of them boombox speakers and some most cheap ass vodka bombs he like. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the hallway. But this is BB King. My man. Didn't mess that up. I don't know who these people is. No, come over here.
See my Fifth City Award.
No, I ain't see no Fifth City Award. The Oscar?
Yeah,
Yeah, I seen the Oscar. Got some presidents, past, present, future. Damn, why is this light up in there? And this one I really like. This one right here. I really like this one. Let me see, turn this light off. Okay. Look at this. And they got George Floyd on top. He on our heads, our ancestors, huh? He's one of them boys. Martin Luther King. Man, I miss Harold Washington. Man, he was our mayor. First black mayor of the city of Chicago. Barack Obama. But that man right there. Real good man. Real good man. I believe somebody killed him to this day. Okay. Okay, so he got the word, which they don't make no more. A lot of little old paper clippings. I can't show y'all that stuff. Yeah. Malcolm and Nelson Mandela. And this is some of the shit he likes. I don't know where it comes in at, but weird. Okay. And that. Okay. Where your Fifth City Award go? In your room?
Right there where you was at. Right there. Look.
Oh, okay. I don't want to show him everything. Right. He goes DJ Awards because he is a DJ. This is all the DJ shit, okay? Play Mr. DJ. That's why I started liking them anyway, because he used to wear them little strap, not the gym shoes that you tie up, just with the, what's them kind of gym shoes that wear, Keith, with the styrofoam on it? What you call them? Little CDs over here. Every kind of music you want, yeah. Every kind. Yeah, free at last speech. Used to mix it up with that. Get his mixing skills together. What do you call that shit they used to do the gym shoes with? You know, you just stick it over to the other side. Boy, I was like, this old joker here with these gym shoes, you don't have to tie up. Child, bad. Okay, I'm out. That was a brief moment in history that I truly love.